Hi everyone. As you know, in the last video we were discussing about some most important problems in our introduction to trigonometry, and today in this video session, and as you know, we discussed a few problems in exercise 8.4, and now we are going to discuss the remaining problems. Few more problems. I cannot complete all the remaining problems in one video session, but let me try to solve as much as problems we can discuss. That much problems we will discuss in this video session, and please give importance to this video class and learn well. See, our question is, I'm going to choose question number 4, because even up to this question we have discussed in the last video, and now I am going to solve question number 4. Question number 4 is choose the correct option and justify your answer. This is the question. We have to find out the value of 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a, and 4 options are given. We have to choose any one option from that. Okay, so I am going to change the question as evaluate. Instead of choose the correct option, I am going to change the question as evaluate 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a. And so what will be 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a? That we are going to discuss, isn't it? So 9 instead of sec square a, can I write 1 plus tan square a? Can I write instead of sec square a 1 plus tan square a? Because one identity is there, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 6 square theta. So instead of sec square a, what we can write 1 plus tan square a. This is by identity, minus 9 tan square a as it is. And so you can ask me a question, how you came to know about that replace sec square a by 1 plus tan square a. Answer for that question is, here one tan square is there, no? So here sec square a. If I can express sec square a in terms of tan square a, we can go for some simplification process. That is a force tempt me to write in this way. Are you following me? Okay. And you just see, now you just take 9 inside. Okay, 9 into 1 is 9 plus 9 into tan square is 9 tan square a minus 9 tan square a as it is. So what I did is, I took this 9 inside. You may understood. Now we just see 9 tan square and minus 9 tan square will get cancelled. What will remain? 9 will remain. That will be your answer, 9. And this question will come under section B. Okay, very simple question, no? And let us move to the next question. And this is also a question in the same way. 4 options are given. We have to choose any one option. Anyway, forget about the option. We are going to simplify this question. The question is 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. Are you following me? And once I told you in the last video, I think in the last video I mentioned that if tan and sec comes together, and if in between sign is plus, once again, if tan and sec come together and in between if the sign is plus, most of the time we will express tan as sin by cos and sec as 1 by cos. I use the word most of the time. I cannot say all the time. Okay. And see, once again I am repeating, if tan and sec comes together and in between the sign is plus, I can replace what tan as sin by cos and sec as 1 by cos, inverse of cos. Are you following me? Because the advantage is denominator becomes same, and here also same most of the time. So what we can write, 1 plus replace tan theta by sin theta by cos theta plus replace sec theta by 1 by cos theta. You may understood. And 1 plus here cot theta, how I can express in terms of cos and sin, cos theta by sin theta minus cosec is the inverse of sin, that is nothing but 1 by sin theta. You may understood. So if you are ready to give a positive attitude to this kind of question, you may feel this question as interesting. Otherwise you may feel it as very difficult question. So 1 plus as it is tan, instead of tan sin by cos, instead of sec 1 by cos, and 1 plus as it is instead of cot cos by sin, instead of cosec 1 by sin. Now we just see denominator becomes same. If denominator is the same, we know how to add, how to subtract to a rational number. So that advantage we can use here. Okay. So we will get more simplified terms. So 1 plus, since the denominator is same, just write that and add the numerator. So sin theta plus 1, and here it become 1 plus, since the denominator is same, just write that and subtract the numerator, because here the operation is subtraction. You may understood. And now we just see, you may understood this much. See, is it clear? Okay. Now we just see, you can go for cross multiplication. If you want, you can give the denominator as 1 and just cross multiplication. 1 into cos theta plus 1 into sin theta plus 1 sin theta plus 1 divided by 1 into cos theta. You may understood. Just cross multiplication. 1 into cos theta is cos theta plus 1 into sin theta plus 1 is sin theta plus 1. Then 1 into cos theta is cos theta. How you are adding two rational number in the same way, you can apply cross multiplication here. So here also 1 into sin theta is sin theta plus 1 into cos theta minus 1 is cos theta minus 1 divided by 1 into sin theta is sin theta, of course. You may understood, isn't it? Now we just see, now it become a rational number. How to multiply two rational number? Multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. That is the thing, isn't it? That is the method we have to use. This is a rational number, this is another rational number. How to multiply two rational number? Just multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. You may understood. See, okay, now we just see, we have reached this much. Cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 divided by cos theta, sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta. As I said, this is one rational number, this another rational number. We have to multiply two rational number. In order to multiply two rational number, we have to multiply the numerators and we have to multiply the denominator. How we can multiply the numerator? When you multiply numerator, it becomes cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 into what? Sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 divided by cos theta into sin theta. Cos theta into sin theta. You may understand. Once again, just multiply the numerator and multiply the denominators. Okay. And now we just see, we just consider cos theta plus sin theta as a single term. For example, if you consider it as A and consider 1 as B. Consider cos theta plus sin theta as A and consider 1 as B. And here also it is sin theta plus cos theta is nothing but cos theta plus sin theta. We consider cos theta plus sin theta as A. Then sin theta plus cos theta also should be what? A. Sin theta plus cos theta is nothing but cos theta plus sin theta. We already consider it as A. And we consider it as 1 as B. Now we just see, it came in the form sum A plus B into A minus B. What is A plus B into A minus B? A square minus B square. Once again, if you consider cos theta plus sin theta as A and 1 as B, now it become in the form A plus B into A minus B. What is A plus B into A minus B? A square minus B square. A square minus B square. So here A is nothing but cos theta plus sin theta. So A square become cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus B is here 1. So B square become 1 square. Since it was in the form A plus B into A minus B, we can convert into A square minus B square. Here A is nothing but cos theta plus sin theta. And denominator is nothing but cos theta into sin theta. No change. You just keep the denominator as it is. Now we just see, here we can use an identity. Here in this position we can use an identity, which is that A plus B whole square. Apply that identity. A square plus 2 into A into B plus B square. Once again here after when we see this in the form A plus B into A minus B, we applied A square minus B square. Then now consider this time it itself is in the form A plus B whole square. So expand by using A plus B whole square. What is A plus B whole square? A square plus 2AB plus B square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. And which is the remaining time? Minus 1 square. Minus 1 square is nothing but minus 1. Isn't it? 1 square is nothing but 1, no? And denominator as it is cos theta into sin theta. You may understood. Okay. Now we just see, what is cos square theta plus sin square theta? Can anyone say what is cos square theta plus sin square theta? Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Why the identity? When we add cos square theta plus sin square theta, we will get the result as 1. That 1 and this minus 1 will be 0, no? Then what will remain? Tell me. 2 into cos theta into sin theta only will remain. 2 into cos theta into sin theta will remain in the numerator. Denominator is cos theta sin theta. You just see cos theta cancel, sin theta cancel. What will be the answer? 2. See, you may understood. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. That 1 and minus 1 will be 0. What will remain? This much only will remain by this one. So we will get the answer as 2. How simple this question? as I mentioned, all the questions are simple, but some question we have to go for what little more steps. For some particular question, we will get the answer within 1 or 2 steps. That is only one difference. And as I mentioned, you have to maintain a positive attitude always towards this in trigonometric problem. If you are ready to maintain a positive attitude, then you can score the complete mark from this chapter. It's a word from me. If you solve many questions, you can easily score full mark from this chapter in board exam. Okay, so let us go to the next question. And our next question is evaluate ck plus tan a into 1 minus sin a. 4 options are given there. Let it be any option. We are going to simplify it first. Ck plus tan a into 1 minus sin a. This is the question. And here also you just see sec and tan a comes together, and in between the sign is plus. So how we can replace? Can anyone tell me how you can replace? Ck you can replace by 1 by cos a, plus tan a you can replace by sin a by cos a. What is the advantage? See the denominator, that is the advantage. And 1 minus sin a as it is, because sin a cos a all are most simplified simple operations. We are not going to disturb it this time. Keep it like that. Are you following me? And next step, since the denominator is same, just write that, add the numerator, and this time as it is 1 minus sin a. You just see now it came in which form? You just see it came in this form, a by b into c. How we can multiply a by b into c? What is a into c? ac by b. This is the way we have to apply here. This approach we have to use here. Something divided by something into something means we have to multiply these two terms. That means 1 plus sin a into 1 minus sin a divided by cos a. You may understood. Okay, and now see the numerator, it came in the form a plus b into a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. That means 1 square minus sin square a divided by cos a. See, what is 1 square? 1, no? 1 minus sin square a as it is by cos a. Who can say what is 1 minus sin square a? 1 minus sin square a is cos square a by cos a as it is. So you can ask me a doubt. How 1 minus sin square a become cos square a? From which identity? From the identity sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. We found an expression for cos square a as 1 minus sin square a, isn't it? From this identity we found an expression for cos square a as 1 minus sin square a. So whenever you see 1 minus sin square a, you can replace by what? Cos square a. That was the trick we used here. Okay, so instead of this I applied cos square a. So answer is cos square a by cos a. So what is cos square a by cos a? You can cancel. What is x square by x? What is x square by x? Answer is x, because here 2x is there. You can cancel 1x and 1x from here. So what will remain? 1x will remain. Just like that, cos square a by cos a will be what? Cos a. So this will be the answer. You may understood. See next question is evaluate 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square. Very simple question. It is you can apply identity directly. What is 1 plus tan square a? Sec square a, no? Why? Because we know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta by the identity. So 1 plus tan square a will be what? Sec square a. Then what will be 1 plus cot square a? Cosec square a. Why? Because by which identity? 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. 1 plus cot square a will be cosec square a. Now we just see. So we from this we reach this much by using direct identity. Now we just see what is sec square a. What is sec square a? Because you just see the option. Option is sec square a and minus 1 cot square a tan square a. See, these are the 4 options for that answer. See, these are the 4 options for that answer. So see, we reached here only. We did not get any exact option. So we have to go for more simplification process. And now we just see sec square a by cosec square a. Can I write sec square a as 1 by cos square a? Any problem? I am going to replace sec square a by 1 by cos square a. Why? Because sec is the inverse of cos. So sec square a will be 1 by cos square a, no? And this cosec square I am going to replace by what? 1 by sine square. Is there any problem? Why? Because cosec is the inverse of sine. Are you following me? You may understood. Okay. Now we just see what is a by b by c by d. How you can calculate a by b by c by d? We can write in this way: a by b into, take the reciprocal, d by c. This is the way we have used in order to divide two rational number. A by b by c by d become a by b into d by c. We have to multiply with its reciprocal. So same method we are going to apply here. 1 by cos square a by 1 by sin square a become 1 by cos square a into sin square a by 1. You may understood. And since it is multiplication, just multiply the numerator, multiply the denominator. 1 into sin square a is sin square a by cos square a into 1 is cos square a. Then what will be sin square a by cos square a? Tan square a. Why? Because sin by cos is tan, no? So sin square a by cos square a will be what? Tan square a. So we got the answer as tan square a. How simple is this question? And see, next question is prove that cosec theta minus cot theta all square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So I'm going to discuss how we can prove this question out. Listen, see the left side. We have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is in terms of cosec and cot. RHS is in terms of cos. LHS is in terms of cosec and cot, while RHS is in terms of cos. So we have to make the presence of some cos here, then only we can reach into RHS, because RHS contains cos. So what I am going to do is, as I told you many times, I have mentioned that when you see cosec and cot comes together, in between sin is plus or minus, you can replace cosec by 1 by sin theta. Why? Because cosec is the inverse of sin, minus cot by what? Cos theta by sin theta. You may understood. What is the advantage? Denominator becomes equal. So cosec theta minus cot theta can replace by 1 by sin theta minus cot theta is nothing but cos theta by sin theta, and cosec theta minus cot theta all square become this square. You may understood. You may understood, isn't it? Now we just see, since the denominator is same, just write that and subtract the numerator 1 minus cos theta and apply all square. This all square is there in the question. That's why I am continuing with that all square. Now we just see. Since all square is there, we have to apply the square for numerator and denominator separately. So apply the square for numerator first and apply the square for denominator. You may understood. Give the square for numerator and give the square for denominator. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ ഇനി അടുത്ത സ്റ്റെപ്പിൽ സ്വാഭാവികമായിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യുക എന്തായിരിക്കും? 1 മൈനസ് കോസ് തീറ്റനെ ഓൾ സ്ക്വയർ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? നമ്മൾ a മൈനസ് ബി ഓൾ സ്ക്വയർ വെച്ച് എക്സ്പാൻഡ് ചെയ്യും. അതായിരിക്കും നിങ്ങൾ പൊതുവെ ചെയ്യാൻ പോവുക. 1 മൈനസ് എ, ഇത് a മൈനസ് ബി ഓൾ സ്ക്വയർ ഫോമിലല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ a മൈനസ് ബി ഓൾ സ്ക്വയർ എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ എന്താ? a സ്ക്വയർ മൈനസ് 2ab പ്ലസ് ബി സ്ക്വയറിൽ നമുക്കങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യാൻ തോന്നും. പക്ഷേ ഞാൻ അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല. കാരണം എന്താ? എനിക്ക് RHSനെ പറ്റിയിട്ട് ഒരു ബോധ്യം നമുക്ക് വേണം. RHS എന്താ? RHSൻ്റെ ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ എന്താ? 1 മൈനസ് കോസ് തീറ്റ ആണേ. അപ്പം ഇവിടെ ഒരു 1 മൈനസ് നമുക്ക് ഈ സാധനമൊക്കെ ചെയ്ത് എങ്ങോട്ട് എത്തിക്കേണ്ടത്? ഇങ്ങോട്ട് എത്തിക്കേണ്ടത്. ഇവിടെ തന്നെ ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ എന്താ? 1 മൈനസ് കോസ് തീറ്റ. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്കിവിടെ ചെയ്ത് വരുമ്പോൾ ഇവിടുത്തെ ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ 1 മൈനസ് കോസ് തീറ്റ ഹോൾ സ്ക്വയർ ഇവിടെ കിടപ്പുണ്ടേ. ഇനി നമ്മൾ ഇതിനെ എക്സ്പാൻഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പം ഇതാകെ നാശമായി പോകില്ലേ? അപ്പം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലായില്ല പറഞ്ഞത്? ഇവിടെ ഇപ്പോൾ ഓൾറെഡി നമ്മൾ ഇവിടം വരെ എത്തിച്ചു. ഇനി RHS നോക്കുക. ഇത് എവിടെയായിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ എത്തിക്കേണ്ടത്? റൈറ്റ്, ഈ RHSൻ്റെ ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ എന്താ? 1 മൈനസ് കോസ് തീറ്റ. നമ്മളിവിടെ എത്തിച്ചതിൻ്റെ ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ എന്താ? 1 മൈനസ് കോസ് തീറ്റ ഹോൾ സ്ക്വയർ. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഇതിന് ഇനി എക്സ്പാൻഡ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ a സ്ക്വയർ മൈനസ് 2ab പ്ലസ് ബി സ്ക്വയർ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇതാകെ കൊളാവും. ഇപ്പോൾ ഇത്രയെങ്കിലും ഇവിടെ കിടപ്പുണ്ട്. 1 മൈനസ് കോസ് തീറ്റയാണ് വേണ്ടത്. 1 മൈനസ് കോസ് തീറ്റ ഹോൾ സ്ക്വയർ ഇവിടെ കിടപ്പുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ സ്ക്വയർ അങ്ങ് ഒഴിവാക്കുന്ന രീതിയെ പറ്റി നിങ്ങൾ ആലോചിച്ചാൽ മതി. അല്ലാണ്ട് ഇത് എക്സ്പാൻഡ് ചെയ്താൽ കൂടുതൽ കൊളാവും. നമ്മൾ വീണ്ടും കൺഫ്യൂഷനിലോട്ട് പോയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കും. കാരണം ഇത് എക്സ്പാൻഡ് ചെയ്യാതിരിക്കാനുള്ള കാരണം വീണ്ടും മനസ്സിലാവാത്ത കുട്ടികൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി ആവർത്തിച്ച് പറയുകയാണ്. ഇവിടെ കിട്ടിയത് 1 മൈനസ് കോസ് തീറ്റ ഹോൾ സ്ക്വയർ ആണ്. വേണ്ടത് 1 മൈനസ് കോസ് തീറ്റയാണ് ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിൽ. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മളിതിനെ എക്സ്പാൻഡ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇനി ഇത് കുറേ കൂടെ എക്സ്പാൻഡ് ആയി പോകുന്നല്ലാണ്ട് ഇപ്പം നമുക്ക് ഇത്രയെങ്കിലും കയ്യിലുണ്ട്. 1 മൈനസ് കോസ് തീറ്റയ്ക്ക് പകരം 1 മൈനസ് കോസ് തീറ്റ ഹോൾ സ്ക്വയർ എങ്കിലും നമ്മുടെ കയ്യിലുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ഇനി ഇതിനെ എക്സ്പാൻഡ് ചെയ്ത് കൊള്ളാക്കണ്ട, അങ്ങനെ വെച്ചേക്ക്. കാരണം നമ്മുടെ ഉത്തരത്തിലോട്ടുള്ളൊരു സൂചന ഇത് തരുന്നുണ്ട്. ഇതിനെ എക്സ്പാൻഡ് ചെയ്യരുത്. അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെയാണ് ട്രിഗ്നോമെട്രിയിലെ പ്രോബ്ലംസ് ചെയ്യുക. മനസ്സിലായെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. ഓക്കെ. And now you see, I am not going to disturb the numerator. Why? Because you may understood, because the RHS side is containing 1 minus cos theta in the numerator. So we are almost reached there. So I am not going to disturb the numerator. So I'm just, let me write numerator as it is. And now you just see, I have to change the denominator. Why? Because RHS denominator is 1 plus cos theta. Here the denominator is sin square theta. Much difference is there. So I have to express this sin square theta. I have to change this sin square theta in terms of this one, isn't it? So what I am going to do is, can I change this sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta? Can I write like this? How do you know that? From which identity? From the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We can replace sin square theta by what? 1 minus cos square theta from this identity. From the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, we can replace sin square theta by 1 minus cos square theta. So instead of sin square theta, what I can write? 1 minus cos square theta. Are you following me? Once again I am repeating. ഇവിടെ ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ sin square theta ആണ്, ഇവിടെ 1 plus cos theta ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഈ sin square theta നെ എങ്ങനെയെങ്കിലുമൊക്കെ മാറ്റം വരുത്തി 1 plus cos theta ഇട്ടും എഴുതണം. വെറുതെ ഈ sin square theta അങ്ങ് വെട്ടിയിട്ട് 1 plus cos theta എന്ന് എഴുതാൻ പറ്റുമോ? പറ്റില്ല. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? അതിലോട്ട് എത്താൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യണം. അതിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഞാൻ sin square theta നെ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? 1 minus cos square theta എന്ന് എഴുതി. കാരണം എന്താ? I can replace sin square theta by 1 minus cos square theta, because 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sin square theta from this identity. You may understood. Are you following me? And next step is 1 minus cos theta all square as it is. Denominator is 1 minus cos square theta. Numerator I am not going to disturb. Denominator is 1 minus cos square theta. Can I replace this 1 as 1 square? Is there any problem? No problem. I can replace. I am not going to write here. So you may feel the confusion. So I am going to replace this 1 as 1 square. Is there any problem? Because 1 square also nothing but 1, no? So no problem. Minus cos square theta as it is. Now we just see 1 minus cos theta all square numerator as it is. It came in the form a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? What is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. So what I can write? 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. And now we just see it is 1 minus cos theta whole square. It is 1 minus cos theta. So I can cancel 1 minus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta from here. So what will remain? 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta will remain. You may understand. Once again repeating. See, here I changed it as a plus b into a minus b. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് 1 മൈനസ് കോസ് തീറ്റ ഹോൾ സ്ക്വയർ, ഇത് 1 മൈനസ് കോസ് തീറ്റ അല്ലേ? ഉദാഹരണത്തിന് നിങ്ങൾ നോക്കുക, സോറി, എക്സ് സ്ക്വയർ ബൈ എക്സിൻ്റെ ഉത്തരം എന്താ വരിക? എക്സ് അല്ലേ വരിക. കാരണം എങ്ങനെയാണ്? ഒരു എക്സും ഇവിടുത്തെ ഒരു എക്സും ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്ത് ഈ എക്സ് വരും. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ യു ക്യാൻ ക്യാൻസൽ ദിസ് 1 മൈനസ് കോസ് തീറ്റ ആൻഡ് 1 മൈനസ് കോസ് തീറ്റ ഫ്രം ഹിയർ, ബിക്കോസ് ഹിയർ 1 മൈനസ് കോസ് തീറ്റ ഇസ് ദർ. ദെൻ വാട്ട് വിൽ റിമെയിൻ? 1 മൈനസ് കോസ് തീറ്റ ഡിവൈഡ് ബൈ 1 പ്ലസ് കോസ് തീറ്റ. ഈ സ്ക്വയറിൽ ഒരു 1 മൈനസ് കോസ് തീറ്റ ഇവിടെ ക്യാൻസലായി. അപ്പോൾ ബാക്കി എന്തുണ്ട്? വാട്ട് വിൽ റിമെയിൻ? 1 മൈനസ് കോസ് തീറ്റ ഡിവൈഡ് ബൈ 1 പ്ലസ് കോസ് തീറ്റ. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് വാട്ട് വി നീഡ്. 1 മൈനസ് കോസ് തീറ്റ ഡിവൈഡ് ബൈ 1 plus cos theta, and we reached in RHS successfully. You may understood. So you just see the step by step process. This is very simple, and this is also very simple, and this is also very simple. And what is the reason for I'm not making any changes in the numerator? Why? Because RHS numerator is 1 minus cos theta. So we already half reached. So I am not going to disturb it. If I am going to disturb it, I will fall down in many confusion. That's why I am not going to disturb it, because I need this term in the numerator. Okay, and denominator I am going to make changes. Why? Because here the denominator is 1 plus cos theta, it was sin square theta, so I need some changes. That's why I changed here, and I made some alteration here, and I applied a plus b into a minus b. In that way we will get the solution. So as I told you, ചില പ്രോബ്ലത്തിന് നമ്മൾ എന്താ പറയുക, അതിനാണ് പറയുന്നത് നമ്മൾ പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്യുക. ഇതിപ്പം ഒരു അധ്യാപകന് ഒരുപാട് കഴിവുള്ളതുകൊണ്ടല്ല ഇത് അധ്യാപകന് തോന്നുന്നത്. അധ്യാപകൻ കുറേ പ്രാവശ്യം ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്യുന്നതുകൊണ്ടാണ് അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് ആ ടീച്ചർക്ക് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സാറിന് മെത്തേഡ് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളും ഇത് സോൾവ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴാണ് ഇങ്ങനത്തെ ഐഡിയകളൊക്കെ പെട്ടെന്ന് ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ക്യാൻസൽ ആവും. എ പ്ലസ് ബിനെ എം മൈനസ് ബിയിൽ എഴുതാം, 1നെ 1 സ്ക്വയർ ആക്കിയാൽ എ സ്ക്വയർ മൈനസ് ബി സ്ക്വയർ, അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ ആ ട്രിക്ക് കിട്ടണമെങ്കിൽ യു ഹാവ് ടു സോൾവ് മെനി നമ്പർ ഓഫ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ്. ഓക്കെ, ആൻഡ് ദിസ് ഈസ് ആൻസർ ഫോർ ദാറ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. And there may exist many other way also. You can try for that. If your method is correct, I will salute you, and you have to go for many different methods, and this is just one method. If you are not getting other method, you can follow the same method. Okay, and let us move to the next question. And next is prove that cos a by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a by cos a is equal to 2 ck. This is your question. And you just see we have to make some arrangement in the LHS. We have to make it as 2 ck. That means we have to simplify this lengthy LHS, and we have to prove this short, very short RHS, isn't it? And now we just see in the LHS, it is cos, it contains cos, sine, cos, everything. All are most simplified, most simple ratios. These are not ratios like tan, cot, isn't it? If it is tan, we can replace sine by cos and we can try. If it is cot, we can replace cos by sine and let us have a try. If it is sec, we can replace 1 by cos or something like that. But here all the ratios are most simple ratios. So what I am going to do is I am going to just cross multiply. How you are dealing with a by b plus c by d, by cross multiplication. The same way I am going to cross multiply, because this is a fraction and this is another fraction. I have to add two fractions. So let me try with the cross multiplication first. Okay, let me try with the cross multiplication. So what I am going to do is just cross multiply. When you cross multiply cos a into cos a, it become cos square a, and 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a, it become 1 plus sin a whole square. You may understood, divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a is nothing but 1 plus sin a into cos a. We cannot do anything there, isn't it? And now we just see cos square a as it is, plus it is in the form some a plus b whole square. What is that? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So it becomes 1 square plus 2 into 1 into sin a plus sin square a. Sorry. See, it become, see here we applied a plus b whole square. So that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and this time as it is, and denominator also as it is, 1 plus sin a into cos a. Just see, now we just see what is cos square a plus sin square a. What is cos square a? What is cos square a plus sin square a? Cos square a plus sin square a is 1, no? So just write 1. And what will remain? 1 square is 1, and 2 into 1 into sin a is 2 sin a. You may understood cos square a plus sin square a is 1. Why? Because cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Okay. And denominator as it is, 1 plus sin a into cos a. Now you just see what is 1 plus 1? 2. Plus next is 2 sin a, and denominator is 1 plus sin a into cos a. You may understood. Okay, and we reached this much. And what we can do? Think. Numerator, how many times are there? This is your first time and this is your second time. Is there any common? 2 is common there. Just write, take outside. So when I take 2 outside from here, nothing will remain. Here you write 1. When you take 2 outside from here, what will remain? Sin a, divided by, what will remain in the denominator? 1 as it is, 1 plus sin a into cos a. Then what we can do? We can cancel these two terms. So you may understood why I took 2 outside, because then only this kind of cancellation is possible. And what will remain? When you cancel the same time, you are right 1. So what will remain? 2 is there into 1 by cos a. 2 is there as it is without any change, and 1 by cos a. What is 1 by cos a? Sec a. So we reached in the RHS side 2 sec a. This is the method to write. This is the method to prove it out. Simple question, very simple question, but the way of approach, we have to go for a particular approach. We have to deal each question in a good attitude, in a positive way, in a particular method. Then only we will get the solution, exact solution. So you may understood how we have to treat each question. So by practicing, I am repeating. Why I am repeating the same sentence one again and again? Why? Because you have to practice. That much only. Practice same problem twice or thrice. You just practice. That is, I am not meaning by hearting. By hearting and learning are two different things. Okay, you have to practice twice or thrice means we have to get that idea. That much only. After practicing twice or thrice, take the next question, practice twice, in that way. Do not by heart. And let us move to the next question. So, next is this problem. Prove that tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. Let me remind you one thing. This is very important problem. Very important problem means here in this question we are going to do some specific steps to solve it out. same type of question in the board exam. You can expect same type of question, or maybe the same question. So how much seriousness we given to this question, and how much important is this question, isn't it? Example 15, I told you this question was a very important, and in the same importance or same difficultiness is with this question also there. So we have to be alert while solving this question. Okay, you see, let me start from LHS. What LHS says, tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta is what is LHS. You just see, this is what is LHS with me. And see the RHS. RHS is in terms of sec and cosec, whereas LHS is in terms of tan and cot. So I have to do some arrangement, and I have to make the presence of sec and cosec in LHS. That is a trick. So in order to make the presence of sec and cosec in LHS, what I am going to do is, I am going to express all the terms in terms of sine and cos. I am going to express all the terms in terms of sine and cos in the sense. What is tan theta? Can you write tan theta by sin theta by cos theta? Of course, because tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta I expressed. Then denominator is 1 minus cot theta. So 1 minus, what is cot theta? Cos theta by sin theta. So cot theta I expressed. Then next is plus. What is cot theta? Again cos theta by sin theta. Divide by 1 minus, what is tan theta? Sin theta by cos theta. You may understand. And while seeing this type of question, maybe some students think that let us leave this question because this question is going to be difficult question. Not like that. You have to take it as a challenge. You know, we are really interested to take challenges, isn't it? You can consider this question as a challenge. Okay, now just see what I did is, the question was in terms of tan and cot. I have since the RHS is in terms of sec and cosec, I have to make the presence of sec and cosec somehow. So what I am going to do is, this is LHS, I am going to express this LHS completely in terms of sine and cos, because I can replace tan by sine by cos, I can replace cot by cos by sine. In that way I replaced everything. And now you see, let us move to the simple mathematical operations. That means here I am going to do sin theta by cos theta as it is, numerator as it is sin theta by cos theta, denominator. What is denominator? Let us apply cross multiplication here. What is sin theta into 1? Sin theta into 1 is sin theta. If you want, you can give a denominator 1 by 1 and cross multiply. So this is the numerator part and this is the denominator part. Numerator I kept as it is. In order to simplify the denominator, we have to go for cross multiplication. 1 into sin theta is sin theta, minus 1 into cos theta is cos theta, divide by 1 into sin theta is sin theta, plus, and here similarly it becomes, see, it becomes like this. Similarly, similar operation, you may understood. Now we just see, let us simplify this term first and simplify this term, because both are the little advanced terms. So in order to simplify, you know, this is a fraction and this is another fraction. How to divide two fraction? We have to, in order to divide two fraction, we have to multiply with the reciprocal, isn't it? This is a fraction divided by, this is another fraction. In order to divide two fraction, what we have to do? We have to multiply with the reciprocal. What is this? Sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. Then into, take the reciprocal of this. What is that? Sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta. You may understood. Similarly, here also, what I did is, you know what is a by b by c by d. What is that? A by b into d by c. Same method I applied here. This by this means I have to take the reciprocal and multiply with this. That is a rule in division, no? Same method. And similarly, you just simplify this portion also, this portion. See, you may understand. Now we just see here, let us come to this portion. What is sin theta into sin theta? Sin square theta, you may understand. What is cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta? As it is. So I am going to write as it is. Cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Plus, what is cos theta into cos theta? Cos square theta. Then what is sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta? As it is. Sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. You may understood. you just listen here. Next I am going to make a modification. In order to, before that, you just listen here. You know, a minus b, you can change it as minus b minus a. That is a rule of mathematics. A minus b, you can write b minus a, but we cannot change a minus b as b minus a. At that time you have to give a minus outside. For example, you can change 2 minus 3 as 3 minus 2, but while you have to give a minus outside, then only the equation will balance. That is a rule. A minus b is nothing but minus b minus a. You may understood. So you may understood that, and you just see here. Now you just see here numerator as it is. എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ ഞാനത് പറഞ്ഞതെന്നുള്ളത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കുറച്ച് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ മനസ്സിലായി. ഇപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളത് മനസ്സിൽ വെക്കുക. Here sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. No change, the same time as it is. Plus here cos square theta by, this is sin theta, no? Yes. Instead of cos theta minus sin theta, I need to write it as sin theta minus cos theta. Can I write like this? This is cos square theta as it is, sin theta as it is, no change. Instead of cos theta minus sin theta, I need to write sin theta minus cos theta. Suppose I need to write like this. But can I write cos theta minus sin theta minus cos theta? If you want to write, you have to give a minus outside. You may understood. Okay. Why? This is the thing, explain the reason. This is the thing, explain the reason. A minus b. In order to write a minus b as b minus a, you have to give a minus. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ ചോദിക്കുന്നത് എന്തിനാണ് ഇങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ ചെയ്യുന്നത്, ഇതിൻ്റെയൊക്കെ ആവശ്യം എന്താ അല്ലേ, എന്തൊക്കെ ഇതിൻ്റെയൊക്കെ ആവശ്യം പറയുന്നത്, എന്തിനാ ആവശ്യം, അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ ചോദിക്കുമ്പോൾ എന്താ അതിൻ്റെ ഒരു സൊല്യൂഷൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, അടുത്ത സ്റ്റെപ്പിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവും. അതെനിക്കൊരു കോമൺ ടേം ഔട്ട് സൈഡിലോട്ട് എടുക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്. വെരി നെക്സ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റെപ്പ് യു വിൽ ഗെറ്റ് അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ് അബൌട്ട് ദാറ്റ്. So I'm repeating. I can see tension in your faces. On your faces I can see tension. What is happening? Why this is so? ഒരിക്കലും ടെൻഷൻ അടിക്കരുത്. ഇതൊന്ന് സോൾവ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവും. ഒരു 2 പ്രാവശ്യം പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്തോ നിങ്ങൾ എന്നേക്കാളും നന്നായിട്ട് സോൾവ് ചെയ്യും. ടേക്ക് ഇറ്റ് ആസ് എ ചാലഞ്ച്. Okay, let us continue. Now just see, we reached this much. So here 1 minus I took outside. So I explained the reason also. I have to take a common term outside. So you will get understood in the very next step. Now in the next step, what I am going to do is, this is minus, no? This is plus, no? This plus and minus will join together and the entire sign will be minus. This is minus, no? This is plus, no? This plus and minus will join together and the entire sign will be minus. For example, plus 1 by minus 2. You can simply write it as minus 1 by 2. You know why? This plus and minus will be minus, then 1 by 2. Similarly, are you following me? So this plus will become minus by the action of this minus. See, you may understand now. See, this is the last step. From the last step, this plus and minus will join together. The entire sign will be minus then. Okay. Now we just see. Compare the both denominator. This is the first denominator and this is the second denominator. Compare both denominator. Here sin theta minus cos theta is there, no? Here sin theta minus cos theta is there, no? Here also sin theta minus cos theta is there, no? So can we take it as common? So that's why I made this kind of adjustment. Sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. So I can easily take outside. But when you take a term from denominator outside, you have to give the numerator as 1. For example, I'll explain you why. 1 by 6 minus 1 by 12. I'm going to take 6 outside from the denominator, because here 6 is a factor, here also 6 is a factor. So in order to take 6 outside, since I'm going to take outside common from the denominators, so common is I need to take 6 outside. So what I'm going to do is I have to write a 1 by 6. Suppose, let it be. 2 is a common factor for denominator 6 and 12. Here the denominator is 6, here the denominator is 12. Anyway, 2 is a common factor for the denominator. So I have to take 2 outside from the denominator. So I need to write 1 by 2 at that time. Then 1 by, when you take 2 outside from 6, 3 minus 1 by, when I take 2 outside from 12, it becomes 6. You may understand. This is the method. If you have any doubt, you can multiply. 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 3 is 6. 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 6 is 12. This is the way to take outside anything from the denominator, common. അതായത് ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിൽ നിന്നാണ് കോമൺ ഔട്ട്സൈഡ് എടുക്കുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ നമ്മൾ 1 കൊടുക്കണം, അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ. ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഔട്ട്സൈഡ് എടുക്കുക, പക്ഷേ ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ 1 ആയിരിക്കണം. കാരണം എടുക്കുന്നത് ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിൽ നിന്നായതുകൊണ്ട് ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ ഓൾവേസ് ഷുഡ് ബി 1. So I am going to take that sin theta minus cos theta as common, since it came as common from both the terms. Since I am taking the common from the denominator, I have to mention the numerator as 1. Divide by the common is sin theta minus cos theta. That means from the denominator I am going to take sin theta minus cos theta common. At that time you have to give the numerator as 1. And so in this term, what all term will remain? Numerator as it is will remain. From the denominator sin theta minus cos theta came outside, what will remain? Cos theta only will remain. In the second term, numerator no change, sin theta minus cos theta is already in outside, what will remain? Sin theta will remain. Okay, see, you may feel that this question is too lengthy. No, because if you are feeling the question is too lengthy, that's because of the style of explanation I am accepting, because I have to, since it is a new question, I have to explain each full stop, each comma that I am doing. So you may think that this question is very lengthy. Not at all. So when you practice, you will get understood that this question is not much lengthy. Since I am a teacher, I have to explain each full stop, each comma, everything that I am doing. Okay, afterwards you can reduce some steps. And now just see it become 1 by sin theta minus cos theta. You may understood. And here you can apply cross multiplication. What is sin square theta into sin theta? Sin cube theta minus what is cos theta into cos square theta? Cos cube theta divided by what is cos theta into sin theta? Cos theta sin theta as it is. And now we just see here I am going to use an identity a cube minus b cube. What is a cube minus b cube? In 9th standard we already discussed, and you know, even we used to hang identities outside. You may forgot. Still I am remembering a cube minus b cube. What is a cube minus b cube? Can anyone say a cube minus b cube? A cube minus b cube is nothing but a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is the identity. See, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. That means this, here we can use this identity, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So in order to I am going to use that identity. So that implies 1 by sin theta minus cos theta, 1 by sin theta minus cos theta as it is. Here by applying this identity, it become a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. No, when I apply this identity here in the numerator, see, I applied that identity, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So sin cube theta minus cos cube theta, by applying this identity, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is in this way now, isn't it? Now we just see only within 2 more steps we will get the answer. See, now we just see it become 1 by sin theta minus cos theta into this sin theta minus can we cancel this sin theta minus cos theta and sin theta minus cos theta? Both are same time, no? So we can easily cancel. Then let us go to the more simplification process. See, we can cancel in that way. What will remain here? This much will remain. So what is the, can you reduce it? What is sin square theta plus cos square theta? That is 1 now. So we can write 1 plus what will remain? Sin theta cos theta. 1 plus sin theta cos theta by what? Cos theta sin theta. So we will get this much. But we didn't reach it to the exact RHS side, but we are on the way, isn't it? So we have reached this much, but we have to reach here. So next step, what I can write is, you know, what is a plus b by c? What is a plus b by c? A plus b by c is nothing but a by c plus b by c, no? Isn't it? Isn't it? Same way, since the cos theta sin theta is a common denominator, I can separate it as 1 by cos theta sin theta plus sin theta cos theta by cos theta sin theta. See, I can separate. See how I am separating a plus b by c, a by c plus b by c. Same way I can express this plus this by this as this by this plus this by this. See, same thing. Now you see, here both time will get cancelled. So same time we will get 1. So you know, what is 1 by cos theta? What is 1 by cos theta? Sec theta. What is 1 by sin theta? Cosec theta plus 1. See, 1 plus sec theta cosec theta, 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. So we reached. So we reached at the destination after a long journey, isn't it? So you may understood this question, isn't it? And I know that this is a lengthy question and a lengthy answer also. We have to spend a much amount of energy on this problem, and I will introduce one more solving method of the same problem, one more solving method, and you can compare both method. I think the coming method will be when we compare more simpler than the previous method. Anyway, I'm going to introduce one more method. As I told you, you can compare both method, and which method you like you can follow that. Okay, I will introduce the next method, same question, next way of solving. See, let me explain very fast, because now the video length is 45 minutes. I have to wind up the session very fast. Here the question is tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. We have to prove in that way. So let me start from LHS tan theta by 1 minus this cot theta. I am going to replace as 1 by tan theta. Can I replace this cot theta as 1 by tan theta? Is there any problem? Numerator tan theta as it is 1 minus cot theta. I am replacing it as 1 by tan theta plus this cot theta also I am going to replace as 1 by tan theta by 1 minus tan theta as it is. This cot theta replaced by 1 by tan theta. That means this cot theta I have replaced by 1 by tan theta, and denominator 1 minus tan theta as it is without any change. You may understand. Once again, I am going to change. This is in terms of tan and cot. Now what I am going to do is I am going to express this entire LHS in terms of tan. That means numerator tan as it is 1 minus cot. Instead of this cot theta, replace 1 by tan theta. Instead of this cot theta, replace 1 by tan theta. All the remaining time as it is, because we know that cot is nothing but the inverse of tan. And now we just see tan theta divided by this one. Let me write it as 1 by 1 and just cross multiply. What is 1 into tan theta? Tan theta, isn't it? And this minus, what is 1 into 1? 1 divided by what is 1 into tan theta? What is 1 into tan theta? Tan theta plus similarly this numerator as it is 1 by tan theta, denominator what is that? 1 minus tan theta. You may understood. Now we just see here I am going to, this is a number and this is another number. When you divide in this way, you have to take the reciprocal of this and multiply. That means this is tan theta, numerator tan theta as it is, into take the reciprocal of the denominator. That is a rule for dividing, isn't it? So when you take the reciprocal of this, it becomes what? Tan theta by tan theta minus 1. You may understood. This as it is, division becomes into take the reciprocal. That is a rule, isn't it? Here also the numerator is 1 by tan theta. Just write as it is. And this 1 minus tan theta you can write as 1 minus tan theta by 1. Why? Because then it is easy to take the reciprocal into 1 by 1 minus tan theta. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലായോ? ഇവിടെ ഇതാണ് ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ, ഇതാണ് ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ. ഇതിൻ്റെ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് പകരം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ വെച്ച് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താൽ മതി. അപ്പോൾ ടാൻ തീറ്റ അതുപോലെ എഴുതി, ഈ ഡിവിഷൻ സൈൻ മാറി ഇൻറ്റു ആയി. ടാൻ തീറ്റ മൈനസ് 1 ബൈ ടാൻ തീറ്റയാണ് ടാൻ തീറ്റ ബൈ ടാൻ തീറ്റ റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ വെച്ച് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തു. പ്ലസ് ഇവിടെ അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഇതാണ് ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ, അതുപോലെ എഴുതി. ഡിവിഷൻ മാറി എന്തായി? ഇൻറ്റു ആയി. മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? നിങ്ങൾ മനസ്സിലാക്കണം, ഇതാണ് ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ, അതുപോലെ എഴുതി. എന്നിട്ട് ഡിവിഷൻ മാറി എന്തായി? ഇൻറ്റു ആയി. 1 മൈനസ് ടാൻ തീറ്റ ബൈ 1ൻ്റെ റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ എന്തായി? 1 ബൈ 1 മൈനസ് ടാൻ തീറ്റ. ഇങ്ങനെ റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ എടുക്കാൻ എളുപ്പത്തിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ ഒരു ബൈ 1 കൊടുത്തത്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലായെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. ആൻഡ് നൗ we just see it become, what is tan theta into tan theta? Tan square theta by what is this? Tan theta minus 1. Tan theta minus 1 plus what is 1 into 1? 1 by this is tan theta into this is 1 minus tan theta. 1 minus tan theta. You may understood. 1 into 1 is 1. Tan theta into 1 minus tan theta is tan theta into 1 minus tan theta as it is. Okay. Now we just see it become tan square theta by tan theta minus 1 here plus 1 by tan theta into this 1 minus tan theta. I am going to write it as tan theta by tan theta minus 1. This 1 minus tan theta, let me write it as tan theta minus 1. Can I write 1 minus tan theta as tan theta minus 1? Simply we cannot write. I have to keep a minus sign outside, because while you are changing a minus b to b minus a, you have to keep a minus sign outside, as I told you. This minus and this plus will join together, then it becomes what? Minus. I am going to reduce one step. this minus and this plus join together, it will be minus, you may understood. Now you can you just see what you can take outside from the denominator which came as common. Tan theta minus 1 is here, tan theta minus 1 is here. You can take the common that denominator from outside from the denominator you can take tan theta minus 1 outside. So in order to take it from the denominator, as I said, you have to write 1 by that which is common, 1 by tan theta minus 1, take outside. What will remain? Tan square theta as it is by tan theta minus 1 already came outside. Here nothing will remain, so just write 1. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലായോ? ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിൽ നിന്നും tan theta minus 1 ഔട്ട്സൈഡ് എടുക്കുക. അപ്പം സ്വാഭാവികമായിട്ടും ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിൽ നിന്നാണ് എടുക്കുന്നത് കൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിനെ 1 ആയിട്ട് മെൻഷൻ ചെയ്യും. നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞതുപോലെ തന്നെ tan theta minus 1 ഔട്ട്സൈഡ് എടുത്തു. അപ്പോൾ ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിൽ tan square theta അതുപോലെ ഉണ്ട്. ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിൽ ഒന്നുമില്ല, പുറത്തുണ്ട് 1 മൈനസ്. just see here the numerator is 1 and tan theta minus 1 came outside. What will remain? Tan theta only will remain here. Here tan theta only will remain, you may understood, isn't it? See, here you just see this much we reached. Inside the bracket I am going to apply cross multiplication. Tan square theta into tan theta, tan cube theta minus 1 into 1 by 1 into tan theta. See, I applied cross multiplication inside the bracket in this way, cross multiplication. So we have reached this much. So it become 1 by tan theta minus 1, and here tan cube theta is there, no? And can you write 1 as 1 cube? Yes, of course. 1 cube is nothing but 1. 1 cube is nothing but 1. So I can replace that 1 as 1 cube. Now it become in the form a cube minus b cube. What was that? A cube minus b cube is a minus b into, tell me, a square. Just apply. I have applied that identity a cube minus b cube as a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, isn't it? Now we just see these two terms. Both methods are almost same, but comparatively this is more simple. And now we just see tan square theta plus 1. What is tan square theta plus 1? Tan square theta plus 1. 1 plus tan square theta is 6 square theta. Write that. Plus what is remaining? Tan theta by tan theta. You may understood. Now we just see this much. We have reached this much now, isn't it? Now I am going to separate with the denominator. So it by this means when you separate denominator, 6 square theta by tan theta plus tan theta by tan theta. See, here it is a common denominator, so separate the denominator, 6 square theta by tan theta plus tan theta by tan theta. Now we just see it, 6 square theta by tan theta plus tan theta by tan theta. We have reached this much. And can you replace 6 square theta by 1 by cos square theta? Of course, sec is the inverse of cos. And tan theta can you replace by sin by cos? Of course, 6 square theta 1 by cos square theta, tan theta sin by cos theta. Then tan theta by tan theta is plus 1, isn't it? Now we just see this cos theta, and from 1 cos square theta 1 cos theta you can cancel. What will remain now? 1 by cos theta by, see, cos theta and 1 cos theta get cancelled. So 1 by cos theta by what will remain? Sin theta plus 1. Now we just see we reached it to the final step. Now you just see it become, the sin theta will join with this cos theta. So 1 by, that is a rule, you know, when you just multiply with the reciprocal, the sin theta will automatically join with this cos theta. So do you want to see a by b by c will be a by bc, a by b by c will be a by bc. See, 1, so it become 1 by cos theta sin theta plus 1. And now we just see let me write here. So we have reached this much. Let me rub. So we have reached this much. What is 1 by cos theta? Sec theta. What is 1 by sin theta? Cosec theta plus 1. See, sec theta cosec theta plus 1. See, I explained both methods, so I think second one is preferably good. As you wish, you can do as you wish. I am leaving the decision for you. You can decide whatever. And now this video session becomes like a movie, because it is going to reach almost 1 hour. So you can consider it as a short movie, and just watch the video and learn well. Since it is a lengthy video, you must consider it as a very serious serious video. And as you know, we have discussed many different questions in this video, and I think within one more video we can wind up this chapter, and we will start solving very different question from extra material. And wish you good learning. Learn seriously. Thank you. Have a nice day.